In this video, I will show you how you can go through $0 to $1,000, how you can go through nothing to something. Okay, so how you can do this type of thing if you watching this video from third world country like Algeria, Cameroon, whatever country you are in, doesn't matter where you haven't any excuse nowadays, because cryptocurrency is everywhere, is to waste. So there is like no limitation here, like payment processing. It is not a PayPal type of thing. So the money is everywhere, to everybody, and you can send money. So those, no need any kind of identification, anything like that. But you need to have mindset to making money. Mindset is same to making money in here. Okay, that is not easy, but I would say it is as much as easy than other thing. Okay, so here is people make tons of money doing those type of thing. So it takes, like, it's called airdrop, testnet, but I will say you that if you haven't anything at all, you can have something if you do this type of thing appropriate way. If you emphasize this thing in the end of the day, into the month, you will gain this type of profit. Okay, so however, these people get this thousand money, like $1,372. I see that people get $49,000, a lot of money from this type of thing. Because how you can get this thing, I'm showing you, just doing here is a payment proof. You can see payment proof through my Telegram channel. So Telegram channel in the description box of this video, check out. However, how you can do this type of thing here is, if you are coming to Twitter, there is like Airdrop type of thing. Although Airdrop is confirmed, raise $300 million free testnet and 10 minutes to do. So here is when you will be eligible. This type of token will pop up here, and they will give you a eligibility button to claim their token. And when you claim their token is already listed on some, maybe Binance, KuCoin, anywhere, like something like that. So you can exchange this token. Let's say you get this token, you can exchange this token into USDT, and you can sell that USDT through your bank, or you can sell that USDT into your mobile banking, and so on and so forth. So pretty amazing, straightforward. If you haven't any kind of knowledge about about this airdrop, I would suggest you watch my YouTube channel's video, and feel free to, I would suggest you do comment and watch my like previous video that I showed you, that I already showed you. So do subscribe this channel. I've already published, like every day I published one video, and that is the thing. So however, how you can turn your nothing to something is mindset. So money doesn't go on free, you need to wait for that, work hard. I'm showing you inside of Telegram that this giant airdrop, 36 million raised. So here is join link, and if you click on that link will bring you inside of the task. But you need to down the task, and after doing the task, you need to wait for their TGE, their token distribution. When they will be listed on anywhere, at that time they will give you a claim options for claim their token. So this is the process of everything. Okay, nothing complicated, straightforward. You can make money through this a lot of. Okay, so see you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting. If you got anything, please write down on comment. I will definitely answer you. Okay, nobody will be neglected here. So the thing is, where you from, please write down on comment. I want to know that. So okay,